Opening of 2020 certified football just came in today, release day, Friday. This has 2 autographs, 2 memorabilia per box, and there is 10 packs in the box, 5 cards per pack. Well, let's see what they look like. Always a fan favorite for sure. Lots of hits. And we got some of the new rookies here. They have not pro uniforms, but the pro teams are listed on it. So let's see what we get here. See what he gets, I should say. Darius Slayton autograph in the very first pack. That's numbered to, looks like 199. And then there was an insert there, gold cream. All right, second pack. Joey Bosa numbered. Joe Montana. All right, then we got third pack. There's, next hit. Van Jefferson. Relic. That is numbered New Generation 299. All right, so pack 4. So 2 hits so far. 2 more to go. Phillip Rivers in his new uni. There's a Michael Thomas insert. That pack. Here's pack 5. There's, looks like a gold parallel numbered to 25. Michael Pittman Jr., new rookie, gold team. Pack 6. Looks like a thin one here. Oh, no, it's actually going to be the RPA for the box. All right. Oh, that's a good one. Cam Akers. No, actually, it's a relic. Fake out. New Generation. It's a Rams box. Wow. All right. 4 more packs to go. Ooh, T. Higgins rookie there in the back. Spacer. J.K. Dobbins. That is a numbered rookie. That's nice. T. Higgins. There's an insert rookie. So actually, as you can see, there's one of the rookies. First time in the pro uniforms here. Numbered very nice. So it looks like it's a mix. You'll see the T. Higgins rookie college. But then the J.K. Dobbins is in the pros. So that's exciting. Get the new cards in the pro unis. There's a numbered Mike Evans. Insert a Gardner Minshew. These have the player Super Bowl reporter cards in them for the kids. I think you have to be under 12 years old to enter those. Oh, Tom Brady on the back. It's always good when you get the GOAT. Oh, that might have the RPA. We'll save that for last. Getting a pretty good box here so far. That's exciting. Oh, what is this? Numbered Keldon Johnson. Oh, is that Jalen Hurts? There you go. Jalen Hurts of the Eagles. And the Brady Stars insert. Here's going to be the RPA. Who is the autograph rookie? Antonio Gandy Golden. Take a look at that. All right, so this is the first box we just opened up here at 10:30. That was open. We have them available as a case, as a pack, as a box, whatever you would like. Please stop in. Sports Zone Toys and Comics in Sunbury, Pennsylvania. Give us a call. Check out our website, our Facebook page. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. We have tons of box breaks posted under the box break tab. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day.